We saw a heavy smoke when we arrived, but around 8 o'clock tonight, just a huge fireball shot out of that roof. But by 9 o'clock, the chief says they did have this fire under control.
Like those scratches too.
Two years ago, a fire broke out in our storage unit facility when me and my dad were on vacation. By some miracle, we had the car parked outside and was fortunately untouched by the fire. But the same cannot be said about our tools. Me and my dad tried making light of the situation, but it really felt like we were lost everything. No tools, no equipment, and left stranded with a broken car. We got 5W40 by Mobile One, full synthetic European. Mobile One extended with the O-rings. Could have got the main filter, but went with Mobile One. This will be fun. Oh sure, I forgot the key inside. Yeah, 5.6 quarts. That's what it's saying. It should be going up though, right?
It can be 5.6.
Because we put 5 in.
And we put two more quarters.
Yeah.
It gotta be at least 7.
It can't. There's no way it could be 5 unless it's like leaking like crazy.
Yeah, shut it off and measure it again.
I think we're good. Right? That wraps up day 1. Thank you guys for watching this video. It's my first one, so it might not be the best quality, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully next video is putting on the new wheels or doing other modifications to the car. Again, if you like this type of content, make sure you like and follow so you can see more of these videos, and plus it helps out with the build. See you guys later.